Hello and welcome again to the channel, and in this part of the video we'll be looking into setting up library alerts. So let's go back to this ellipsis, okay, and let's click on alert me. And when I click on alert me, it will show me now this will show me the document instead of documents, then column documents name. So previously when we were setting the alert on the document, so it was showing documents, then column, then document name. But right now we are setting the alert on the library level. That is why it is showing up the documents instead of column and then document name. Okay, so I hope this is clear. You can give any title you want. Okay, so let's give this some title. Let's make it test alert. Okay, I want myself to receive the alert, and what I want that uh, you know if any new item is added, I should receive an alert. Okay, an existing item modified or any sort of thing. So it depends upon you that what type of alert you want. That if any new item is added, you should receive alert. Existing item is modified, you should alert or receive alert, or items are deleted if any items are deleted. So what I want uh, that if any existing item is modified, I should receive an alert. Okay, so change type is existing item or modified, and send an alert for these changes. It means that what what are the what are the change which should be the condition. So let's say anything changes, or someone else change a document, or someone else change a document created by me, or someone else change a document modified by me. So me as in it is showing up my name here. Okay, I'm creating the alert, so that is why it's showing me. And what I want that any item that is modified by me should should I should receive an alert, or I should receive an alert which any item which is created by me. Okay, so you can see that the things are conflicting here, that created by me and existing items are modified. So there are two things here. Okay, but believe me, you will only receive alerts when an item is created by me is being changed. Okay, so let's hit okay. Okay, so the alert has been created, and the setting is if any item which is created by me as in Rahul Patel, and if it is an existing item, if it is modified, then only I should receive the alert. So this is one document which is created by me. Okay, Rahul Patel, and this is an existing item. So if I modified this from this account Rahul test, I should receive an alert. So let's do the testing part. Okay, let's rename it, and let's some add just s to it. Let's rename this. Okay, so now I should receive an alert. So let's go to inbox and let's wait for the alert. Okay, okay, so you can see that alert has been received. This is the alert which I've got, and it says that Rahul test 1 has changed the document. And what is the change which is done? I'll just simply come up here, select the file. Okay, before that, let me refresh this. Select this file, click on this information icon. Let's scroll down, and I can see that the change is renaming of this document. This document has been renamed from document to documents. Just a simple S is been added at the end of the document. Okay, so like I said, the alert which I set up was that if an item which is created by me, and if an existing item is modified, so you can see that existing item is modified, and if it is created by me, then only receive the alert. So likewise you can create alert according to you. So if suppose and alert all the changes. Okay, and anything changes, suppose irrespective of the file created or modified, I mean if it is created by any other user or modified by any other user, you won't receive on both of them as well. You can have them, just select this anything changes. Okay, and all changes, so you will receive all the alerts for all the files. Okay, Now what do you want that new item, that when a new item is being added, you want to receive an alert. And likewise, existing item which is, we have seen already that item which is created by me, okay, and if it is an existing item, I should receive an alert. And also likewise, if someone else changes a document which is last modified by me, okay, and if it is an existing item, only then I will receive the alert. So the I mean alert will be triggered on the basis of these two combinations. If it is an existing item and if it is modified by me, that only I will receive the alert. So this will be the condition. Okay, you can set up the condition as per your requirement. And so you want to change the type and the condition, you can always come back to manage my alerts, select the alert which you want to modify, and change the conditions as per your requirements. All right, so throughout the video, we have seen how to create alert, how to manage it, but we have not checked how to delete the alert. So deleting the alert can be done in two ways. If you just want to delete your personal alerts, you can go to manage my alerts from the document library. You can select your alert and delete it. And second way is, if you want to delete the alert for all the users on the site collection, that can also be done. We'll go to site setting and then user alert, and we'll select the user and delete all the alerts. Okay, so let's see the same thing in action. So first of all, let's delete the alerts which is set up by me. Okay, I will go to manage my alert from the library ellipsis. So this will only delete the alert which is set up by me only. Okay, if there are alerts, if there are more alerts which is set up by another users, then other user will need to do the same in order to delete the alert. Okay, so I select the alerts I want to delete. Okay, and select this delete selected alert, and the alert will be deleted. Okay, and suppose I have deleted my personal alerts, but there are alerts which is there on the which is created for by other users as well, and I want to delete them as well. Okay, but users are not deleting it. So being a site admin, what I can do is I can just navigate to the site settings. Let's go to site setting and then user alerts. It will be there in the site administration part. Okay, user alerts, and I will select the user. Okay, I would be able to see a whole list of users who have set up the alert on the site. So I'll select the user. I'll select the user for which I want to delete a alert for. I'll click on update. So it will show me all the alerts which is created by this user on this particular site. I'll select the alert and click on delete selected alert, and the alert will be deleted for that user. Okay, and the same will happen for other user as well. If there are multiple users who have created the alerts on the site, so you should be able to see all the user who have created alerts on the site. Select that user and click on update, so it will show you all the alerts which is created by them. Select the alert and delete them. Okay, so this is how you delete the alerts on the library level, manage my alerts, okay, and on the site level. Okay, so I hope that I was able to clear this alert concept. In case you still need any help, or if there is any confusion, so do let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to assist. Okay, till then, happy learning, enjoy your SharePoint. Bye.